Hello everyone, this is Mamta Mund and today we will learn and solve chapter exercise 10a questions 1 to 11 of chapter 10. Chapter name is Basic Geometrical Ideas of class 6 of Composite Mathematics textbook. Let's get started and solve some questions. Today we will learn and solve exercise 10a questions 1 to 11 of chapter 10. Chapter name is Basic Geometrical Ideas and topics are line segments, point, plane, parallel lines and rays. Let's solve some questions. Now we will solve question number 6. In the given figure, how many points are marked in the figure? Name them. First we draw the given figure. This is A, B, C, D, E, F, G and this is H. Now how many points are marked in the figure? Name them. The points are A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H. So the points are A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H. So 8 points are marked in the figure. So 8 points marked in the given figure A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Now question number second bit. How many line segments are shown in the figure? Name them. First we draw the given figure. This is the figure. A, this one is A, B, C, D, E, F, this is G, this is H. How many line segments are shown in the figure? So the line segments are AG, AB, BC, GC. Then AF, this is also line segment AF, GE. AG, already I have written AG and FE. GC already written, CD, GE already written, then ED. Now BH, AB already written, AB, BH, F, FH, FH and AF already written. Now HD, HD, ED already written, ED, FE already written, and this is FH already written. Okay. How many line segments? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 line segments. 12 line segments are shown in the figure. Now question number third view. How many portions of planes are shown in the figure? Name them. First we draw the given figure. This one is A, B, C, D, E, F, G. This one is H. How many portions of planes are shown in the figure? The planes are A, F, E, G. A, F, E, G. Then this one is A, B, C, G. A, B, C, G. B, H, D, C. B, H, D, C. D, C. B, H, D, C. B, H, D, C. Then this is H, H, D, E, F. H, D, E, F. Then F, H, B. A, F, H, B. This is F, H, B. Now G, E, D, C. This is G, E, D, C. G, E, D, C. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 planes. 6 planes are shown in the given figure. A, F, E, G. This one is A, F, E, G. Then A, B, C, G. A, B, C, G, this one. Then B, H, D, C. B, H, D, C, this one. H, D, E, F. H, D, E, F, this one. Then A, F, H, B. A, F, H, B. This one. Then G, E, D, C. This one. So 6 planes are shown in the given figure. Now we will solve question number 7, multiple choice questions. Which of the following pair of line segments are not parallel is shown in the figure? First we draw the given figure. This figure is given. This is rectangle. This is A, B, C, D, E, F. Which of the following pair of line segments are not parallel as shown in the figure? AD. The options are AD, BC. This is AD line, BC line. AD and BC are parallel. AE, FC. AE, this is AE and this is FC. AE and FC also parallel. DE, BF. DE, this is DE and this is BF. This is also parallel. And AB, BC. AB, this is AB and this is BC. AB and BC are not parallel. So option D. So option D, AB and BC are not parallel line segments. Question number 8, multiple choice questions. Which of the following does not represent a ray in the given figure? First we draw the given figure. This figure is given. This is O point, A point, this is B point. Which of the following does not represent a ray in the given figure? OA. This is OA. OA is a ray. OB. OB also a ray. This is OB. BA. AB. AB is a ray, but BA. BA. Here A is not continuously. This is not extended. Here A is stopping. This A is not extended, so this BA is not a ray. So option BA. BA is not a ray. So option C. So option C, BA does not represent a ray. Now question number 9, multiple choice questions. Which of the following figure is made up of line segments only? A. This is the figure in option A is given, and this is the figure. This is circle in option C, and D. This is option Now which of the following figure is made up of 9 segments only? In option A, this is a curved line, so this is not made up of only 9 segments. This is also a curved line. This is line segment, but this is a curve. So this is also not made up of only line segments. And this is circle. This is not made up of only line segments. And this one is a hexagon having line segments, 6 line segments. So this figure option D, hexagon, is made up of 6 line segments. So option D is correct. So option D, hexagon, is made up of only the line segments. Option D is correct. Now question number 10, multiple choice question. Which of the following is not found in the given figure? This figure is given. This is A, this is B, and this is C. Which of the following is not found in the given figure? Point. Point is given. This A, B, and C, all three are points. A is point, B is also point, C is also point. Ray. Here BC is a ray. So ray is also present. AC and BC are rays. And C, line. In this figure there is no line because here A is not extended, this side. So this line is not found in the given figure. And line segments AB is a line segment, BC is a line segment, AC is also a line segment. So this is also present. This is also found, line segment also found in the given figure, but the line is not found in the given figure. So option C. Option C, that is line is not found in the given figure. Option C is correct. Now question number 11, multiple choice questions. The surface of which of the following does not represent a plane? Book. Book represents a plane. Wall is also represents a plane. Floor of your room, this is also a plane. Football, this is not plane, this is a sphere. So option D, football does not represent a plane. So option D is correct. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. If you like this video, then please click the like button and share this. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. If you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.